Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I like to buy my ingredients as I go. It's much fresher that way. There's one though, that if you don't prep it soon after you buy it, its shelf life might last a couple days, perhaps 3 if you're lucky, and it's bean sprouts. Here's what I do to keep them longer. So my friends, let's get cooking.
All right, here's a bean sprout, and this is the head, and this is the tail, which is slightly brown. I don't know if you can see it. So we'll go ahead and remove that part and discard it. That's it. It's that simple. Now, please play some of your favorite music, turn the TV on, or ask all your family members to help you because it is tedious. Next, when we're finally done removing the tails, we'll line some paper towels at the bottom of a large container, and without crowding it, we'll add the sprouts, spreading them evenly. If there are still some left, we'll place more paper towels on top and add the rest of the sprouts. We'll cover that layer as well with paper towels, which will absorb the moisture, keeping them longer. We'll fold in the edges, just like I'm doing right now, and transfer to the fridge with no lid on.
As you saw in this video, these little steps will help to keep them up to a week. I hope you enjoy tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!